Security Management. Open the Security Management app. Choose User Management from the main menu. Security Management provides a walkthrough. You can quickly go through required functions by following the walkthrough upon the first login. Authorization Process. Create an operation set. In the navigation pane, choose Operation Sets. Click Create. Set the basic information and select the operation sets you want. You can press Shift to select multiple operation sets. Click OK. Create a device set. In the navigation pane, choose Managed Objects. On the Device Sets tab page, click Create. Set the basic information and select the members you want. Click OK. Create a role. In the navigation pane, choose Roles. Click Create. Set the basic information and select the users you want to attach to the role. Click Next to go to the next step, or OK to quickly create a role. Select Managed Objects for the role. Multiple managed objects are supported. You can grant subnets to a role to meet the requirements of large-scale NCE management scenarios and reduce the complexity of management domain authorization. Click Next. Grant operation permissions to the role. You can quickly assign permissions by pressing Shift to select multiple permissions. Click OK. Management domains are displayed on multiple tab pages. The bound users, management domains, and operation permissions can be edited separately. The display and editing operations are diversified. Create a user. In the navigation pane, choose Users. You can set filter criteria to filter users, or expand a record to view more user information. Larger scale user management is supported. Batch modification and batch moving are performed step by step, and the modified user data is clear. Click Create. 3 types of users are provided to meet different usage scenarios. Enter the basic information and set the personal policy of the user. Click Next to go to the next step, or OK to quickly create a user. Select roles for the user. You can press Shift to select multiple roles. Click Next. Set the access policies. Differentiated security control policies are provided in different scenarios to facilitate user management. If the existing policies do not meet the requirements, create a new one. Click OK. Region Management. Create a region. In the navigation pane, choose Regions. Click the plus icon to create a region. Enter the region name. The system automatically creates a region administrator role by default. Click OK. Then click a region card to view information about the region. You can create users in the region and grant them permissions to manage the region. You can also create common roles and operation sets in a region. Common operations for user information maintenance. Click Delete in the table to delete a user, or select multiple users and click Delete on the upper right corner to delete users in batches. Click a username to view the user information on different tab pages, including the basic information, other users attached to the role of the user. Managed objects and operation permissions of the role. And managed objects, operation permissions, and security policies of the user. Click Edit to modify the user information on different tab pages. The following example describes how to quickly add API management permissions to username. Create a role named API and bind the role with the API management permissions. In the navigation pane, choose Roles. On the displayed page, click Create. Enter the role name API. Select username to attach the user to API. Then click Next. Click Operation Rights and bind the API management permissions to the role and click OK. In the navigation pane, choose Users. Click Username to view its information. On the Roles tab page, click the API role to view its operation permissions. The role has the API management permissions. Query user logs. Choose Log Management from the main menu. Here use security logs as an example to describe how to set log filter criteria. Click the filter icon and select the operation name, level and result to set the filter criteria in one-stop mode. The filter criteria can be collapsed to simplify the page. Click Filter. Logs are displayed based on the filter criteria. Click Template Operations to save frequently used filter criteria as a template. This facilitates logged query. The methods for querying system logs and operation logs are similar. In the navigation pane, choose Operation Logs. Click Template Operations. The template of operation logs can be imported or exported.